Salam Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today we're going to be working on the electron configuration of sodium atom. So the first thing you have to do is whenever you're given a question like this is to determine the number of electrons in the atom. The number of electrons in an atom always equals the number of protons in the atom. And the number of protons in the atom is the same thing as the atomic number of the atom. So for atoms, the proton, the atomic number, and the number of electrons have the same value, like have the same number. So the atomic number of sodium is 11, hence the number of electrons of sodium is 11 electrons. So when we do this, we're going to use this diagram in this information to determine the electron configuration of sodium. The thing you need to know about this diagram is it is an energy level diagram where we fill in the electrons until we use it all up, and we have to fill it from the lowest energy level, which is 1s, to whatever orbital the electrons are filled up to, right? So in order for us to fill it, we're going to start. We have 1 as in 1 electron, so we have 10 left, then 2, then we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, 6, 7. Now we fill 7 of the electrons, we have 4 more. But before we go ahead to do that, I need to let you guys know this. Something called Hondro is what prevents us from putting 2 electrons in each one of those boxes. Each one of those boxes are known as orbitals. So for example, this is the first orbital, the second orbital, the third orbital. We have to fill in each orbital first before we put in another electron in any of this orbital in order for us to avoid energy destabilization. So we filled 7, now we filled the 8th, the ninth, and the 10th. We have filled 10 electrons, but we have 11. So we have one more, and then we fill that one more here. And then what we end up with is for the 1s, we have 1s2, we have 2s2, we have 2p6, and then we have 3s1. So the electron configuration of the sodium atom is going to be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s1. You would notice that in order for you to be sure that you've done it right, you're going to add up um all the electrons up top, and they have to add up to the number of electrons 11. So you have 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. Hence, we've done our electron configuration right, provided you follow the order from the lowest energy level up until where the electrons are used up. I wish you guys all the very best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.